Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to turn off two-factor verification on Instagram. So from your Instagram account, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right, and then you tap on edit profile. To open up the settings, tap on personal information settings, go back, and then you tap on password and security, tap on two-factor authentication, tap on the Instagram account, and then you can see it is on right now. You can see it is on. You can see that it's on. So the next thing you're gonna do is tap on the method you use. I use the SMS WhatsApp method, so tap on it, and then see this thing on, simply turn it off. And now if you turn that off, you turn off two-factor authentication. So if you want to confirm, tap on turn off. And that's it. Two-factor authentication via SMS or WhatsApp has been turned off.